I've got the 2019 Subaru Outback, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the hazard lights. Okay, so I'm sitting inside of the Subaru Outback right now, and it is very easy to use the hazard lights. All you need to do in the center console, you're going to see that there is this large button that has two red triangles on it. In order to engage the hazard safety lights, you're just going to go ahead and push this in one time, and you'll notice that both of your blinkers are now blinking simultaneously at the same time and alternating after a second. So let me show you what that actually looks like on the outside of the vehicle. So it's as if you have, blinkers. Your blinkers are going, but on both sides at the same time, on the back and on the front. And then something extra that the Outback does, a lot of vehicles do this, but the side mirrors also have lights built into them, and they blink as well. So this is a good safety feature in case you're on the side of the road and you're pulled over and you want to warn other drivers, or if you're in fog and it's hard to see and you just want to have something going when visibility is really low. Simple to use, and it's simple to turn off as well. Again, you just push the button one time and it's off. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.